Oasis restaurant. This is definitely just been renovated. It's a nice size pool. It is a beautiful day. So you can rent these little areas right here. So there's two pools. Over here is a hot tub, the spa. I guess nobody wants to get in that today because it is hot. Hello everyone and welcome to the Wyndham Garden at Lake Buena Vista, Disney Springs. Got a nice little view of the pool. This is my first time staying in the garden. I usually stay in the tower. Well, the last two times I have, so could not resist the deal. This is a spur of the minute trip, so I just took I was like, let me give me that deal. Big flat screen TV, and of course I'm playing Stacy because I'm going to Disney World. Anyway. Coffee. Disney World just opened. I'm excited. Okay. Hello. And in here we have your closet, ironing board, iron. I have a mirror right here, which is nice for getting ready in the morning. Room. Oh, the room does come with shampoo, conditioner, lotion. I already took it all. There's a little ottoman underneath each nightstand, which is good because there's no chairs in here. Hope you enjoy the tour of the Wyndham Garden. So close to Disney Springs. Love it. Hello and welcome to the room tour of the Wyndham Garden at Disney Springs on Lake Buena Vista. Got a room with two queen-size beds, very, very comfortable. Over here is places for your luggage. Nice big HD TV. Hi, Stacy. Okay, and here's where you will find the safe. And more places for storage. Here's where your coffee maker is. And this is also where the ice bucket was. So this little area right here is the refrigerator. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Hello. Okay, here's the closet with storage with an ironing board and iron. Here's the bathroom. Nothing fancy, but got this at a really great rate. What makes this hotel really great is it's so close to Disney Springs. And I like this little mirror right here. So there it is, the room tour of Wyndham Garden at Disney Springs. And in just 5 minutes, you can walk to Disney Springs straight from the Wyndham. So after a long day of shopping and dining and all the entertainment at Disney Springs, you don't have to go searching for your car in the car garage and drive back to your resort. Instead, it's just a 5-minute walk back to the Wyndham. The Wyndham also offers shuttle service to all 4 Disney theme parks, to Disney Springs, and to the Disney water parks. Hope you all enjoyed the resort tour, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel, Orlando Girl 247 Jess.